Have you done my 10,000 squat challenge? Well, let's go crazy, and this time we want to do a 10,000 ab and squat challenge in 30 days. I guarantee you, your legs and your core muscles will be on fire and they will lean up, okay? Ready or not, let's do it. Let's start with basic squat, okay? I'm going to have mercy on you. So let's start with something really easy to get your body warmed up to begin with. So stand shoulder width apart with your toes pointed forward and push your butt back, okay? So for each workout, we want to do 30 repetitions. Ready? Let's go. So basic squat, down and up, okay? Very good. So remember, push your butt back, all right? And lift your chest up. Very good. Good. You can place both arms right in front of you, or you can place them right behind your head, all right? Very good. So choose your option, nice and easy. Get your legs warmed up and go deeper, all right? Squat deeper, go down, push up with your heels and go down. Good. Hands in front, keep going. Very nice. So remember to keep your knees soft. 10 more, less than 10 right now. Keep going. Very good. So this is your first workout. You have 5 more, okay? Let's go. 4, 3, 2, last one, and good. Down onto the mat for your first core challenge, which will be Russian twist, okay? So left and right is 1, all right? Good. Lift your legs up. Very good. So twist, feel your obliques working, all right? Good. If you want to, you can tap, tap, and tap. Good. So tighten the core muscles. Lift your legs up. If this is too hard, then drop your heels on the floor to begin with. Very good. Keep going. Twist side to side. Good. Your entire body should be in a straight line, and it should only be your upper body twisting from side to side. 10 more. Let's keep going. Very good. Last few more. Suck in those core muscles. 5 more. 4. Last 3. Last 2, twist. Last 1, and back up into plie squat, okay? Plie squat, point your toes out, okay? Stand wide. I want you to tap the floor, okay? Good. The moment you tap the floor, that's how low you should go. Good. Tap, push your butt back, and feel your inner thighs working. Good. Tap, okay? Tap. Do not hunch forward. This is wrong, okay? Bring your butt down. Tap. Okay? Tap. Bring your butt down. Very good. There you go. Feel those inner thighs working and your outer glutes working as well. Good. Tap and up and tap. Good. Do you feel those muscles? It's time to work your leg muscles up. 10 more. Good. Let's go. 9, 8, tap. 7. Good. 6, 5. Last 4, 4, 3, 2, and 1. You know the drill. Back down onto the floor to bicycle crunches, okay? Left and right is 1. Let's go. 1, 2. Imagine you're cycling. 3. Very good. Twist. 4. Good. Kick it out. 5. Keep going, okay? Point your toes and twist your oblique muscles. Good. Lift your shoulders off the floor. Very good, okay? The goal is to lift your shoulders off the floor, not just moving your arms. Good. Point your toes, bring your knees in, feel your lower abs working, feel your core working, and good. Keep cycling, okay? Keep cycling, and remember, pace your breathing. Last 10. 1, let's count together. 2, 3, keep pointing. 4, 5, last 5 more. 6, 7, 8, and we want to get back up, and let's go. Back up. Good. We did plie squat. Let's go into narrow squat. Legs together, feet together, okay? I want you to squat back. Good. Point back, okay? Bring your ankles, your toes, and your knees together and point back. Very good. Again, you can place your arms in front if you want to. And remember to squat low, push up with your heels, squeeze your glutes. Very good. Go deep and go low. Nice. Squeeze and squeeze, okay? So there are many variations to squats. Depending on what squat you do, it will work on different muscles. All right, good. This will really work on your quads more. Good. Keep going, chest up. Do not compromise your form, okay? Do not compromise your form. Chest up, last 10, very good. Keep squatting. You can hear my breathing. It's going up, very good. So your heart rate should be going up as well. Last 5 more. 5, 4, good. 3, last 2, and last 1. Let's get back down into mountain climbers. So in a plank position, remember left and right is 1. Go. 1, don't just climb. I want you to work your legs, work your core muscles, and every movement should have a purpose, okay? So drive your knees into your chest, feel your core working. Good, drive it in, good. Keep working, you are doing very well. Last 5 more, 4, 3, 2, last 1, very, very good. Gave you 1 extra there. Right, we want to bring up the intensity, okay? Next is going to be a wide to narrow squat, all right? Let's add a little bit of hop. Ready? Let's go. So start wide, tap down, and go narrow. That's 1, okay? Good. So keep your toes soft and always keeping yourself on your toes, okay? Light and easy. Keep yourself light. Good. Go down low and tap. Very good. Bring your butt down. Very good. There you go. Tap and look straight ahead. Open up your chest. Nice. Okay, keep going. Tap and tap. Very good. You are almost there, okay? You have about 5 left. Let's go. Let's go. 5. Good. 4, 3, last 2, and last 1. Oh, shake it out. Let's get down onto the mat and let's work on flutter kicks. This workout will really target your lower abs, okay? So hands by your side, relax, lift your legs up, shoulders off slightly. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Left and right is 1, okay? Good. Flutter kicks, tighten the core. Very good. Remember, it's about bringing your shoulders off the floor and aim to relax your neck. Keep going. Nice. Whew. Feel your lower abs. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Back up. All right. I told you I'm going to be bringing the intensity up. Next is going to be a kneel to squat, okay? So start in a kneel position and hop into a deep squat. Get back down into kneel and hop. Good. Down to kneel and hop. Good. All right? So push and use the momentum to bring yourself up. 30 repetitions. No cheating because I can feel you, all right? So let's bring it up. Good. And then soft. Land gently. Good. Keep going. You have 20 more, okay? Keep going. Whew. Do not stop right now. You're on workout number 9. Very nice. You have 2 more exercises right after this. Keep going. The goal is 330 repetitions every single day for 30 days. 10 more, okay? Up and down. Woo! Push your butt up and down. Good. Keep going. Down and up. Good. Kneel. Woo! Up. Good. Last 5 more. Good. 4 more. Whew. Last 3. Last 2 more. Come on, hop higher. Last 1 more. Hop and kneel. Down. Plank position, plank jacks, okay? So go wider than the mat and jack back in. Good. That's 1, okay? Let's go. Keep going. 30 plank jacks. Breathe in and breathe out. Whew. See your sweat dripping. That's your effort and that is your fat crying, okay? It's telling you that you have worked hard and you deserve it for your body. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Last final workout is going to be a plank, rock, and also dip. Wipe your sweat slightly. Let's get into an elbow plank, all right? One rock and one dip. Good. Let's go. Woo! Do you feel your core? Your legs should be feeling like jelly right now. Keep going, okay? So this will work on your entire core muscles. Dip side to side, forward, back, and dip. Good. Forward, back, and dip. Very good. Look at the sweat dripping. It is like rain right now on the mat. Keep going. Woo. You have 10 more, okay? Last 8 more. Last 6 more. Last 4 more. Last 2 more. And, oh my God. Oh, you can't feel me, but give me a high five. Well done. Look at my sweat. You have done 330 repetitions, and I want you to challenge yourself for the next 30 days to repeat this workout every single day, okay? I feel like everything is just melting right now. It might be challenging to begin with, but keep that momentum going, keep that consistency going, and the workout will only get easier. And once it's too easy, guess what? Lift some weights and challenge yourself, okay? It's not just about the challenge, but rather it is about building discipline and consistency into your lifestyle. Go on, tag a friend, challenge them to do this workout with you, get a workout buddy to join you, like this video, share this video, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for a lot more workout challenges. And you can find out more in my description box below. All the best!